Want to transport your audience to a different world? Changing your background is easier than ever with the latest technology. From virtual offices to studios, the possibilities are endless. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the background in a video or in a photo using CapCut app. This is a powerful feature that can help you take your videos to the next level. Changing video backgrounds can significantly enhance the creativity, the quality of your content. It allows you to remove distracting or irrelevant elements from the original footage, creating a cleaner and more focused video experience. This is particularly useful for presentation, online tutorial, your content. Changing your background to a more suitable background for your video. By replacing the original background with a customized image or video, you can transport your audience to a different location. We will be using CapCut and Leonardo AI to edit our video today. We'll use Leonardo AI to generate our background, then we'll use CapCut app to edit the video. Let's dive in. The first thing you will do is to go to your Leonardo AI app. Is to go there to generate your background of your choice. See create. You click on create. Image generation. Click on it. Then you type in your prompt. Create a studio with design and YouTube logo. Let's just use the short prompt. Done. Then you click on generate. It's absolutely free. You get 150 token every day to use for free. So let's wait, it's loading. See this first one. See this first one. See the second one. If you don't like it, you can go ahead to add more thing to the prompt and YouTube logo. Adding the YouTube right up. So just write the prompt of your choice, whatever you want in the studio, just write it. See it, you can go ahead to use my own prompt or create your own prompt. Then done. I want to make I want to make the thing to generate like four or five. See number of image, go here, leave others like that, go here, increase it 5. Okay, my image dimension, that what is I want YouTube standard. Okay, can just select any one of your choice, let's say this. Okay, then go ahead to generate. Just wait for it to finish loading. Sorry about that. Okay, okay, any one of your choice, let's use this. Sorry, let's use this. These are the YouTube one I've generated before. Let me show you guys. Mm, okay, this is it. These are the ones I've generated before using using it. So we can just select from, but let's use that one. Then you go to your CapCut. Go to your CapCut. Click on new projects. Go to your photos. Add the background you want to use. Add. You check your video, the length of your video. If it's 1 minute, you make this image 1 minute or more. Go back. Then you click on overlay. Click on the video you want. Let's say I want to use this video. Add. Let me mute myself here. Okay. Then you go click on remove video. Let's remove background. Then you make the video very well. You adjust it to your liking. Adjust it to your liking. Want to transport your audience to a different world? Changing your background is easier than ever with the latest technology. From virtual offices to studios, the possibilities are endless. Hello everyone. Export it. Go ahead to export it. Why image for the image, you go to your photo, select the background you want to use. I want to use this background. I've generated this one before. Then you click on overlay. Add overlay. Select the image you want to remove background for. Okay, let's say this. You look for remove background for the image. Remove background. You can see it. I've removed background. Then you can go ahead to export it. Just use anything of your choice, and you're watching by this time, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video so that YouTube will push it to the right audience. Bye. And that is it. Changing the background in the video using CapCut is easy and fun. Remember to experiment this with different backgrounds suitable for your videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.